The peace process to end the long-term conflict in South Sudan has received a major boost after the mediation team signed a commitment agreement deal. The stakeholders, led by the Kenyan team that brings together the two sides, agreed to resolve differences between them. Speaking during the signing of the agreement, the chief negotiator in the peace negotiations, Lieutenant General Lazarus Sumbewo, asked parties to embark negotiations immediately.
You are listening to a special broadcast of Radio.
It is you here today, honorable delegates, who hold the greatest responsibility to lead in finding a permanent solution for your country. My charge to you is that this can only be if you negotiate in good faith and in a sustained and continuous manner. With peace in place,
we look forward to the mediation coming up with clear, implementable solutions, whether from the policy stance, legislation stance, constitutional stance, civic engagement and civic education, or reconciliation.
And with this remark, I believe my brother in the opposition and also my colleagues who are sitting here to find a soft heart because our people are suffering.